I think we're going to call this the oh crap hive, because it's one of those, as you can see, there's about 1/8 of an inch here, 1/8 of an inch here off. Had to shave this down with a knife, because when I glued the 1/4 inch luan to the 2-inch blue board you buy at Lowe's, put my clamps on it, this one shifted, so I had to make up the bottom, so then I had to cut the top off. Got 1/4 inch luan on the inside, because bees, this not high density polystyrene, they'll chew it to pieces, because that's why I'm using, finally bought Reflectex, because my lids have the 1-inch polystyrene in the top, and they decide to chew on it during the winter. What we've got is the 3/4 inch corner piece you buy at Lowe's for drywall. I've got it cut, placed in there, that way I can pry and the bees won't chew from the inside out. Ran the PVC portal hive entrance on it, that way they're not going through just the polystyrene and chewing it out. This hive right here next to it, it's a 5-frame hive. It's going to be going into this one. This one is a 6-frame. Screwed together, glued together, caulked. I had this piece of 2-inch polystyrene just laying around in the workshop. Got tired of moving it and thought, I'll try to build something out of it, so let's try it. So we're going to have a nice R10 plus whatever the minuscule amount of the 1/4 inch luan is. The other thing that's different about this hive, a friend of mine, English friend of mine, Phil Chandler, we were talking about propolis, and he paints the inside of his new boxes with propolis. So this one has a coat of propolis that's been dissolved in rubbing alcohol, 90%. It's aired out for about 2 weeks. So we're going to put the bees in it, see how well they do during winter. Got a real fancy bottom. It's called a piece of Vantec that I've run Titebond 3 glue all around the open cut edges and for about 2 inches inside the hive, coming to the inside, so any water that gets on it will not separate it. But I think I'm going to call this the oh crap hive, because you cut all the pieces, you start putting it together, and you realize, oh crap, I didn't take into account of this, i.e. the 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch of a pooch out on the back, or the bottom, because I didn't have enough to make a 2-inch polystyrene bottom. So that'll be a modification I'll make if it does well for next year. And then there's, just show you how little bit I had to glue pieces together to make a lid for it. 2 different colors for a reason. A friend of mine's a maintenance supervisor at a plant, and this white is free paint, but it's a little old and the drying agent is not the greatest, so it's still sticky, still tacky. So I use just regular exterior paint that I bought last year on the areas that's going to be sticking together. So this will go together just like this. Then we'll have this, and that's how it'll go through winter, because I don't have a wooden lid that's big enough to go over this. Another oops. Well, that's it. Comment down below, tell me how crazy I am, or if you like the idea. Have a good one.